How to cook cottage pie. Cooking for men and students, vegetarian friendly. Easy to cook, delicious meals that even men can cook. No cottages were harmed in the making of this video. So, who knows the difference between cottage and shepherd's pie? For a different, easy to cook meal for every day of the month, please subscribe. What you'll need: brandy, 1 pack of corn or beef mince, about 5 potatoes, 1 onion, 2 carrots, a handful of peas, gravy granules, cheese to top. Here's a tip, guys. I always buy a bag of baking potatoes. Although slightly more expensive, they are bigger, easier to peel, and there is less waste. What it will cost: meal for 4 people, £5.15, per person, £1.29. Preparation time: about 1 hour and 10 minutes. 30 minutes to boil the potatoes and cook the mince, plus 20 minutes under the grill for the cottage pie. What to do: pour a large brandy and sip it. Peel and chop potatoes. Wash potatoes in fresh water and put on to boil, full heat. Top, tail and remove the skin from 1 onion. Halve and chop onion. Place wok on stove and add a little oil, 3/4 heat. Add onion and turn onions with a wooden spatula. Wash chopping board in hands to get rid of onion smell. Add mince to wok and stir well. If using corn mince, add a little more oil. When potatoes boil, turn the heat down to a simmer. Grate 2 medium carrots into a wok and mix well. Add a handful of peas. Optional, a large dash of tomato sauce goes well. Boil water in kettle. There should be time for a few sips of brandy. When the kettle boils, make just over half a pint of gravy, 5 teaspoons of granules. Add gravy to wok. Stir well and cook for 5 more minutes. Poke potatoes with fork and if soft, drain in colander. Return to saucepan and place saucepan on a chopping board, not to the worktop. Mash potatoes with a masher. Add 4 dollops of margarine. Mash again. Add mince to baking dish and smooth out. Add mashed potatoes to baking dish on top of mince. Smooth out potatoes with spatula. Grate cheese on top. Place in oven on top shelf directly under grill for about 20 minutes or until golden brown. While the cottage pie is under the grill, add frozen mixed vegetables to a saucepan and simmer for a few minutes. Pour yourself another brandy, because now is a good time to wash the pots and pans. Using a tea towel or oven glove, remove cooked cottage pie from oven and place on a wooden chopping board, not on the worktop. Cut into 4 with a metal spatula and serve with mixed vegetables. Enjoy your cottage pie with the rest of your brandy. And best of all, there is cottage pie left over for tomorrow's lunch. For easy to cook, delicious meals, please subscribe.